Everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the Potomac Beads treasure box for April of 2026. I haven't done an unboxing for their treasure box this year yet because I did the where they had me pick out $100 worth of beads, and I did 3 months worth of videos for them instead, and I did 3 tutorials, and that was really fun. I will leave links below to all of that. I will also leave a link below to their website and where you can receive this. I do have a coupon code S31D69N1NB for 15% off your first order with them. I will leave all the information in the description below. So just go down there, hit that little arrow that points down, and it will drop down and you will see everything in there. So let's see what this is. Ooh, April Showers. Okay, the April Showers treasure box captures the refreshing clarity of a spring downpour, blending the translucent shimmer of acrylic clouds with a lush landscape of blues and greens. This collection is inspired by the interplay of light and water, inviting you to use the included rings to handcraft delicate droplets that fall gracefully from the clouds. With a sophisticated mix of turquoise, silver, and gray, this box feels like a modern treasure hunt through a rain-washed garden. Very pretty. Okay. Well, this looks... Oh, very pretty. Okay, let me get everything ready. I'll be right back. Okay, before I start off with this, I forgot to tell you that this is priced monthly at $39.99 a month. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99 a month, so you save $60 a year. And if you price this annually, it's $29.99 a month, so you save $120 a year. So it's a really great box, and so many different things in it. And each month is just so much fun to unbox. So let's get started. I'm starting with this free gift. Czech bead mixed daffodils are blooming. There's somebody working outside next door, so I'm sorry if you're hearing that. This is pretty though. It's got some little hearts. A little saucer bead. Some little disc beads. Some little green little 2-hole beads. And yeah, just a little bit of yellow and green, so these are really pretty. Okay, and then we start with the Athena Peter spacers, and there's a package of 6. So these are fun. These make great spacers, or you can like take 3 of them and put 3 each and make a dangle earring out of them. There's a lot you can do with these. Okay, and next we have Czech faceted round beads in black diamond, 8mm, package of 25. I love their beads. They're such high quality, well-made beads. They're so pretty. These are so pretty. Look at those. Look at the faceting on them. Look at that sparkle as I move my hand. Okay. I like to keep everything in the bags as I use it. I don't take them out. It's just a personal preference. Next is a pewter metal button flower vortex 16mm silver. And I kid you not, I was thinking about doing a certain design using a button, and then we got these. So I think I might do that for my tutorial this month. Look at how pretty those are. It was just like, I don't know, you know, you get in one of those creative moods. And it's the other side to it. So I will practice it and I will see if it will work. I think it will be really pretty though. And next, we have Potomac Pearls, pewter 6mm half strand. And the Potomac Pearls they're known for their pearl beads. Look at that, look how pretty those are. Oh, look at that coloring on them. Absolutely love this. And the holes are really well made on these. Okay, and this is fun. Let me see. I can do this. Potomac Crystal Bicone Beads, Mixed Caribbean Beaches, 4mm, package of 120. So this is one long strand. Caribbean Bicone Beads. Crystal Bicone Beads, Mixed Caribbean Beaches. Oh, so look at these. And you can use these tassels too if you want. Look at those. Look how pretty those colors are. Oh, I love this. This is really pretty. I'll just put that right there for now. And now these are Azuki Seed Beads, metallic blue, iris, matte size 11 O's. And these are really pretty. I was checking these out. So look at these. Oh my gosh, these literally look like the ocean. The different, like the teal and the deep blue, and oh, these are gorgeous. I would like to just make a necklace from these. Who knows? Maybe I will. And I love that they're matte, but they're so, the color is so so strong in these. It's like, oh, so pretty. And next, I'm sorry, that's my doggy. Next is Czech Fire Polish Round Beads. Meet Me in the K Squirrel, 8mm, package of 16. Piper thinks she owns the house now. She sees a squirrel, she sees a rabbit. It's all over. I've been waiting to film today, and I'm like, thought she was settled down. So these are really pretty. These are really pretty beads. Love them. Yeah, I'm getting some really cool ideas from all of these. And next, BeadTech knotting cord. This is a really pretty color. I don't want to undo it, but you can, that deep blue, it's navy, beaded knotting cord in navy. Nylon cord for macrame knotting and crafting. That's really pretty. Okay, and next is Potomac Crystal Reveille Mystic Burgundy. It's an 18mm, and it's a package of 1. This is stunning. So that's the back of it. Look at the front of it. Wow. 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 Wowza. That is so pretty. That'd make a gorgeous ring. And next, I love these beads. Round Trio Beads, Patrol, 6mm, package of 20. I've used, every time we get these, the month we get these are like the first ones I use up. Because see, they have the 3 holes. So you could create so many different things with these. They've got a lot of possibilities to them. And it's a pretty color too. Okay, and next, mini duo beads, blue metallic suede, 2x4mm. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at that. Look at that match there. Really pretty. Very pretty. Yeah, these two together could definitely come up with something gorgeous. And next is Czech glass puffed oval beads in turquoise. These are pretty. I like the swirl that they have in them. I love all the striations in them, the different lines. Each one's just a little bit different, and the hole goes in there, and they go long ways. Kind of like looking at the sea. And next we have Czech glass square beads in black diamond. These are 9mm. These are really pretty. These are a fun neutral bead that, you know, you can use and make them, you know, the main focus of a piece of jewelry, or just for little pops of a neutral color in a piece. You know, there's so many different things you can do with it. Okay, and next, oh, these are gorgeous. Potomac Crystal Briolettes. Crystal AB 6 by 12mm, a pack of 12. Look at these gorgeous beads. Wow. Oh, the faceting on these is so pretty. It's like you need sunglasses when you look at them. And the holes up at the top of them. Okay, and next is jump rings, open 6mm, 22 dark silver. I'm not going to take these out of the back because we all know what jump rings look like. But those are pretty nice. And then we have Potomac ear wires, simple ball mix pack, 2 pairs. I can't talk today. So there's 2 silvers, 2 golds, and then not crimp beads, oh my God, wire guards. Jeez, I can't talk today. And then the backings. Don't mind me. I had a root canal last week, and I'm still recovering from it, let me tell you. And next are lava stone gemstones. These are really cool. Lava stones, they're like just so earthy looking, and they have such a fun look to them. They look like little craters on the moon. And last but not least, the BeadTech pendant or charm laser cut wood rain clouds and drops, package of 8. So these, of course, here's the little raindrops, and then you peel that off, and it looks like that's the front, the white part there. One's front, one's clear. So that's really cool. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial unboxing for Potomac Beads April showers of April 2026. This was a lot of fun. I can't wait to work with these. And I'm thinking now, but I'm kind of planning on doing my little creation I had in my head that needed a button. So this could have been like, this was meant to be. So we shall see. I'm going to work on it. And then if it works out the way I think it is, I will be doing the tutorial on it. If not, I will create something else. Lord knows there's plenty of inspiration here in this month's box. So, like I said, I have a coupon code below for 15% off your first order with them. And I'll leave links below to Potomac Beads as well as everything else. And don't forget to follow me. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I have lots of new stuff coming up, and all of my social media is below. Links if you want to follow me on there. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.